Hello students, in today's lecture we will be doing problem number 9 from the exercise on page 61. So let's begin by reading first the problem. Sun and Moon are partners in a partnership firm sharing profits and losses equally. You are required to give effects of adjustments with the help of the following information. Trial balance as on 31st March 2019. Now the debit side, debit balances, land and building, furniture, machinery. Now look below machinery, it says purchased on 1st July 2018. Now this is given to calculate depreciation. Goodwill, wages, current account of Moon, 8% debentures. Now debentures is an asset. Now it is purchased on 1st October 2018. So you will get some interest which we have to calculate. Provident fund investment. Now Provident fund is also investment is an asset. Stock of postal stamps, again asset. Come to the credit balances, capital accounts of Sun and Moon, current account of Sun, sundry creditors, bank overdraft, reserve fund and provident fund. Okay. Now you will tick mark the adjustments. First is partners are entitled to get salary rupees 6,000 per annum in addition to their profit and loss sharing. Second, depreciation on land and building, furniture and machinery at 10%, 5% and 3% respectively. So tick mark in the trial balance, land and building, furniture and machinery. Third, interest on capital 5% per annum, closing stock rupees 60,743. Then you have wages included rupees 1,000 as advance given to workers. So you can mark wages. Sixth is interest due but not paid. So now this is outstanding interest. And seventh one, total net profit amounted to rupees 38,113. You are required to prepare balance sheet and partners current account only. Now see what is written there. You are asked only to prepare balance sheet and partners current account. You are not asked for trading profit and loss account. So only one account and a balance sheet. So now take your notebooks and write down in the books of Sun and Moon. Okay, then you will draw current account. So draw the current account, write down the name of the two partners, both on the debit as well as the credit side. Then draw the balance sheet. Balance sheet will be balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities, assets, draw two amount columns. Okay. Now first we will begin with the debit balances. Remember, we are only doing balance sheet and current account, so only one of the effects will be shown. Now first is land and building. Right on the asset side, land and building, it has an adjustment in the inner column, 40,000. Leave one line for adjustment. Then is furniture, again asset, again adjustment, 18,000. Leave one line for adjustment. Machinery, asset, adjustment, 40,000 in the inner column. Leave one line for adjustment. Goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset. 2,000. Now they have given us wages, but we don't have trading account, so we will not show wages. Next is current account, Moon. Now current account given on the debit side, so take your current account. You will now bring down the balance on the debit side of current account. So write to balance brought down. Right, in Moon's column, write 4,000. 8% debentures. These are assets. So come to the asset side, right? 8% debentures. Now there is a self-adjustment there. So write the amount in the inner column, 8,000. You can do that adjustment. You will get interest on those debentures because it is your asset. You have invested the money. So now to calculate, it's 8%. So 8,000 at the rate of 8%, and it is purchased on 1st October, so 6 months. October to 31st March will be 6 months. Look at the calculation, 8,000 into 8% into 6 upon 12. So you will get 320 as the interest. So this interest will be now added to the debentures. So add interest due. 320 added, take it to the outer column. 8,320. The second effect we don't have to show, so it will not come now. Then is Provident Fund investment. Now this is an asset. Provident Fund means it is an amount kept aside for after retirement. So it is put in by the employee and employer. Provident Fund investment, 3,500. And the last is stock of postal stamps. Now this is the closing stock of postal stamps, which is an asset. So stock of postal stamps. 500. We finished with the debit balances. Now credit balances, capital accounts. Now since there is current account given in this problem, that means capital is fixed. So straight away in the balance sheet, capital account, below that Sun, 33,500, Moon, 33,500. Take the total to the outer column, 67,000. Then you have current account of Sun. Now current account of Sun is given on the credit side. So you will bring it down on the credit side of current account as by balance brought down 6,000. We'll put a dash in Moon's column. Sundry creditors, liability, $25,000. Bank overdraft, again liability, $10,000. Reserve fund, $5,000. All these are liabilities. Provident fund, again liability, 5,000. So we have finished with the trial balance. Now we move on to the adjustments. Now first adjustment. Partners are entitled to get salary rupees 6,000 per annum in addition to their profit and loss sharing. So if partners are going to get salary, the first effect here will be to credit their current account. It is an income for them, so you will credit. So right there, by salary, it is 6,000 per annum. So both will get 6,000. Now second effect we don't have to show, but if we had to show, it would go on the debit side of profit and loss account. Second, depreciation on land and building, furniture and machinery, 10%, 5% and 3%. So all three assets to be depreciated. First one, land and building, 10%. So you can straight away write there, less depreciation, 10% of 40,000, 4,000. Deduct, take the figure to the outer column, 36,000. Then you have furniture, 5%. So take furniture, write less depreciation, 5%. That will be 900. You can see the working, 18,000 into 5%. So take it to the outer column, 17,100. Now machinery. Now look in the trial balance, machinery is 40,000 and below that they have said purchased on 1st July 2018. So this date is given for us to calculate depreciation. So from 1st July to 31st of March, it is 9 months. So you will calculate 40,000 at the rate of 3%. So 3 upon 100 into 9 months. So 9 upon 12. So look at the calculation there. So it is 900. So less depreciation, 900. Deduct, take it to the outer column, 39,100. Now again, depreciation, we have given the effect. Second effect comes in profit and loss account, debit side, but we will not show it because we do not have that. Now, interest on capital, next adjustment, 5% per annum. So when interest is there on capital, it is an income for the partners. So you will credit the current account. So take your current account, right, by interest on capital, Now capital of both the partners, if you see, is the same, 33,500, and 5% of this. So look at the calculation below, 33,500 into 5%. So that equals to 1,675 each. Income for partners, so you will credit current account. In second effect, you would have shown it on the debit side of profit and loss account. Next given to us is closing stock. So everybody knows where to write closing stock. We will write it on the asset side of the balance sheet. Closing stock 60,743. Wages included rupees 1,000 as advance given to workers. Now wages we write in trading account. From the wages, if you see in the trial balance, it is 2,000. Okay. From this, 1,000 is given as advance. So it is not paid as wages, it is given as advance. So you have to deduct from wages and then write it on the asset side. So we will write on the asset side, advance given to workers. $1,000. Okay, next adjustment, interest due but not paid, rupees 800. Interest due not paid means it is outstanding interest, and outstanding expense will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. So right on the liability side, outstanding interest 800. The last is total net profit amounted to rupees 38,113. Now what will we do with this net profit? We have to credit it to current account. Again, it is income of the partners. So come to the current account. On the credit side, write by net profit. Now they have given us net profit, and in the first sentence of the problem they have said they share profits and losses equally. So net profit 38,113. Look at the working, 38,113. Equally means you will divide by 2. So that amounts to 19,056.5. So now you have to round it up. So write by net profit 19,056 and 19,057. Okay, so one figure you have to increase. Now we have finished with all the adjustments. Now next step will be to close the current account. So close current account. You can see that the credit side is greater. So take Sun's capital, Sun's current account, sorry, and total up. So that is 32,731. Then take the total of Moon's current account, credit side. $26,732. So now write this total on the debit side of current account. 32,731, 26,732. And now we have to take the balance in current account end of the year. So to balance carried down. For sun, it will be 32,731. For moon, you have to subtract that 4,000. So 22,732. Now this balance will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet under the heading current account. So come to your balance sheet, write current account. Below that write sun. See how much it is, 32,731. And moon, it is 22,732. Take the total. So total will be 55,463. We have finished closing current account. Now we have to close the balance sheet. Tally the balance sheet. Take the totals of the liability side and the asset side. Add up the figures, liability side. Okay, liabilities, we've got 1,68,263, and the same on the asset side. So add up both and see that your balance sheet tallies. Okay, so we have finished with the problem. If you have any doubts, difficulties, you can message me. Thank you.